Hello everyone, we're in the High Winds gift shop. So we got some snacks, cool things, purses, there's some bedding, hoodies, a little bit of jewelry in here, cool shirt. They got their smokes.
Is that it?
Yes.
Sorry if I'm going too fast. Some more hoodies. Some cool stuff over here. Some hats. More bags. Cute shirts. Look, Rita over Rona. That's cute.
That is cute.
They got their Area
what's in
51 here, so there's some Area 51. Native stuff.
Okay.
Bags.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Try not to get you in here.
Yeah, no doubt.
More hats. Oh, some little cute little baby onesies.
Oh, that's adorable.
And some more covers. And then turn her around.
Just don't get me.
I'm not,
And
dear.
like, she's like, I'm gonna go this way. She don't want to play with you.
And a few more purses down here. And
God,
then
that's the last thing I
a
need.
few more
is
little
any
things
more
over here in
purses.
this case.
Oh,
some
see, I didn't even
pretties.
look there. Yeah, they are pretty.
Okay, that's cute.
Yeah.
Some
Ooh,
earrings.
Those are adorable.
All right. And that is what's in the High Winds gift shop, everyone.